Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. We are tackling my kitchen in today's video and essentially doing a kitchen reset. I like to do this at least once a week, or if it's getting out of hand, whenever I see that it is out of hand, I like to reset my kitchen. Of course, clean and pick up daily, but doing the decluttering and just a little bit extra of the work in the kitchen or throughout the house for that matter. But today we are tackling the kitchen. I rarely do cleaning videos on this channel, you guys know, but I did get some requests to do some, and I figured it was perfect time to just film me taking care of my disaster of a kitchen. I also am cooking a little like Mexican Mexican salad for dinner, as well as a little bit of a refrigerator clean out and organization. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and my main goal is to just give you some motivation. Together we can tackle this, whether you're a single mom, stay-at-home mom, just a regular, maybe you're not even a mom, maybe you're a dad, whatever it may be, hoping to give some motivation through this video. So give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy, and we will jump into it. So first thing is first, I had a sink full of dishes, and then I also had some dishes in the dishwasher to load. So I went ahead and filled the dishwasher. I despise doing dishes by hand, and not only that, if you've seen my like how to save money on utilities video, you know that running the dishwasher saves a whole lot of water and energy in general. So I like to just pack my dishwasher first and foremost and then run that through. We've been doing a whole lot more outdoor play as the weather gets nicer and warm, and just spending a whole lot of time outside and being really busy. So I had a lot of stuff on my counters, and this was just before dinner. This was probably just an hour before dinner, and I cannot cook in a cluttered kitchen. So this was the first kitchen cleanup, and then I ended up doing another one, which you will see. I walk you through real life, as you know how it goes. So the first time I just wanted to clear up all of the things off my counter, and then I also wanted to just run a Clorox wipe over the counters before I started cooking and prepping ingredients. Very easy dinner that I made, but I did want to make sure the counters were clean and clutter free. So I'm kind of keeping a lot of footage in here. You'll see I'm prepping ingredients in some of it, I'm cooking in some of it, cleaning, fridge organization. I just wanted to keep it really real in this video. I had this pineapple that was ready to go, sitting on my counter for a week, and it was perfectly ripe, maybe a little overripe, but I needed to cut it up, prep it for being in the fridge. And then Sydney was also asking for a snack in the middle of me cleaning and before I cooked dinner. So again, just including that in here. And because I am doing the fridge organization, why not just keep this in here? It was in this very moment that I decided, wow, I need to do a refrigerator clean out in this video. It was out of control. You know, it happens to the best of us. I just want to make a side note. It is driving me crazy that you can see my extensions so bad in this video, but That is life. I am overdue for my hair appointment in a couple of weeks. Anyway, I am prepping some hard-boiled eggs because I realized I had a couple of half cartons worth of eggs hanging out in my refrigerator. So I ended up making like 5 or 6. I love having these on avocado toast. You can just have them as plain snacks. Sydney likes them as well, and on salads. So we usually have hard-boiled eggs in my household all week.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay.
Now tackling this ledge that is just I hate it. Honestly, I hate it. There's no use for it other than I put my stuff here because there is a ledge here. And you guys see it in every video in the background. I'm positive of it. Anyway, I do tackle this, fairly often. But again, I just come in with the mail, set it down. Take off my jewelry, set it down. Sydney colors a bunch of papers. And there it is. Anyway, so going ahead and decluttering this, and I do have a lot of my camera stuff, my chargers, and my charging cords. I need to find something to do with those, maybe a bowl, a decorative bowl, or find somewhere else to put them. I know.
We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down.
Now on to making dinner. I took a break from cleaning to cook. Honestly, I was so close to ordering takeout because I did not feel like cooking. I've been tired. I'm not complaining. I'm tired from working out, walking, getting my exercise, and the heat that we are not used to here. Anyway, I ended up making a little chicken salad for dinner. I had some chicken tenders to use, and then some Trader Joe's that corn cotija cheese mixture. I've had it in my freezer for a little while, so I figured I would go ahead and make use of that, and then use some of my produce up that clearly my refrigerator is hiding.
Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay.
By the way, I did season my chicken with some black pepper, a tiny bit of salt, and then the everything but the elote seasoning from Trader Joe's because it's my favorite when I do anything Mexican inspired. So I enlisted my little helper to help make our salad. I just did a mix of spinach and then regular green Bib lettuce as well. I had her kind of I don't know, shred it up. I added some fresh avocado. It is my favorite. Just whatever produce you have on hand, just throw it in a salad, top it with some protein. Oh, it's so good and refreshing, especially this time of year. So I added that corn and chicken mixture right top of my salad, and then I added the cotija cheese just a little bit. I had some colorful tortilla strips, and then I did not have tomatoes, but tomatoes would be perfect in the salad. I just squeezed some lime on top, so the corn kind of has a sauce to it, so it was really flavorful anyway, or already I should say. So I didn't want to put dressing or anything heavy on it. I still want it to be light, so I just squeezed a couple of limes on top. It's like running on a hamster wheel, isn't it? This is what my kitchen looks like after dinner. It looks like I didn't even touch it, yet I had spent a half hour cleaning it up. So here we are again. I'm just going to clean up after dinner and kind of, finish all the dishes, empty the dishwasher, reload the dishwasher, wash whatever's left by hand. Again, I don't like washing dishes by hand, so using the dishwasher as much as possible. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this realness.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone.
After loading the dishwasher, I of course wash whatever's left by hand, usually the bigger things. I like to pack the dishwasher as best as I can. So just left with like the big pans and the big cutting board, and just doing that as quickly as possible, because leaving dishes in the sink or waking up to dishes in the sink just truly does not make my morning a happy morning.
On my own, but you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn.
I don't know about anyone else, but when you watch these videos and you see how much you truly move, no wonder why you're exhausted at the end of the day. Holy cow. But yeah, just seeing the light at the end of the tunnel right now and wiping down all of the counters one last time before bed after I got all the dishes done and put away. Wiping all the counters, and then I went ahead and also wiped the stainless steel surfaces really quickly. I didn't do any like shining or specific cleaning. I just wanted to take my all-purpose spray and get all the like stripes and streaks and fingerprints off of them, just really quickly doing the stove, the dishwasher, and my refrigerator. And last but not least, I wanted to clean the floors and mop them so that they were nice and squeaky clean. I do this a couple times a week, maybe once a week if I'm being real, depending on how dirty they are. So I went ahead and mopped the kitchen floor, and then the after just makes me feel so good. I'm honestly finishing up this voiceover the next day, so when I woke up, my kitchen was nice and clean, and that ledge that is always cluttered was clean. It just makes me feel so good and refreshed, and like I can actually think and cook or prep ingredients or whatever I need to do. Also giving you a little peek inside my refrigerator and how much better it is. It's not like the most aesthetically pleasing organized, but it is decluttered. All of the things that may have gone bad or been pushed in the back or buried on top of things I took care of. So yeah, it just makes me feel so much better to reset at least once a week. So I hope you guys got some motivation in this video. If you did and you want to see other parts of my house, maybe my bedroom, Sydney's room, anywhere else, a reset, let me know. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one.